What's good, Rome Squad? Hey, we're back with another video, another banger, you feel me, dog? Hey, today we're reacting to the Prince family, you feel me, acting ratchet prank to see how my husband reacts. Bad idea. Bianca, Team Bianca over here. Sorry, Damien, but you know, Bianca, you know what I'm saying? But hey, link in the description down below. Hey, guys. Everybody loves the Prince family. You know, I watched the Prince family. Probably was one of the reasons why I started doing YouTube and doing reactions, because when they first started, their grind, their hustle and everything on YouTube was different. Like they did reactions like I'm doing right now. They were just different when they first started. But other than that, hey, I hope everyone's enjoying their day. And yeah, Rome Squad, we the best squad in the league. If you're new to the channel, smash that like button or subscribe button for the one time. And yeah, let's get it. Let's jump into the video. Yeah.
You acting very
She look like Alaska girl right there, or the little baby,
unusual.
Unusual?
I'm tripping.
I don't act unusual.
You acting like a thought right now, bro.
A thought?
Acting like a what? Nope. Y'all intro is lit, very lit. I like it. I can't wait to have my own like it. You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna have to skip over that. And we're gonna listen to you a little bit, Bianca. Cause you know already know, Rome Squad, we don't listen to intros. We skip cause we're keeping it 100. God, hey!
Once again, guys, with another prank video. And that's every single video. How to act ratchet. I just know I'm actually going to say, boy, just give me this, give me that. Like you doing too much. Like just stop. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just be acting like that or whatever. So we're actually going to.
There was something on my monitor.
Alright.
Nasty.
Let it free, baby. Let it all free. I need to wash my hair because, honey, what is this? So we're actually gonna be getting.
It look good. What you mean, Bianca? You know we fans of you now.
And then I'm just gonna be acting ratchet like, you know, the whole time we're in a car, whatever. So we got some lip gloss. Let's see. Hopefully this has a color. I was trying to find something with like a little bit of color, you know. Ooh, these eyelashes though. These are cute. Okay.
I don't know. That look like doo-doo brown.
First of all, this lip gloss do not look good on my skin tone, baby.
No.
Y'all can be honest. Y'all can be honest. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? So this is it.
Should put something bright on, like a lime green yellow something. I don't even know.
Let's go.
Something crazy.
Is you ready?
Bro, why you take so long for it?
Huh?
So why you take so long for it?
Because I wanted to. Is you ready to go? I'm home.
Hold up. First off, why she trying to talk like Cameron? Off of Cameron and Corey. Let me get that straight. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that kind of? Y'all, you ready? You hear that?
Hungry.
And she getting out gum too.
You good? You ready? You
Wait.
need some gum?
No, like, why are you talking like that?
Hey yo! Oh! Yo! Go watch Cameron and Corey acting ratchet. Watch. You see the resemblance.
Is you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Like I don't know, bro. You
bugging.
acting weird right now,
Like you bugging.
bro. Go back in the house.
Ah.
Why?
Go back in the house and fix yourself up,
I look fine. Thank you.
bro. I said go back in the house,
I look fine. Thank you.
bro. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not leaving nowhere.
Go.
No.
What you mean no?
You need to fix yourself. Like
Their pranks are fake. I can just tell, bruh.
why you acting like that, bro? No, go back in the house and come back and start over. Go out the car and get back in here. Come back in here. And when you come back here, come back with a different attitude.
Okay.
I don't got time for you to ruin my vibe. Just go out there and come back in here. Let's start over.
I'll lock the door, drive off. What is that he's simping on? Ginger ale?
What's up? You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Are you good now?
Come on.
I don't need you to be acting like this out in public, bro. Like,
Okay,
chill, bro.
I'm good.
Like you acting very unusual.
How am I acting unusual?
Like, chill, bro. I'm just
I
saying.
need a
Like,
piece of gum.
no, I don't want no gum.
Your breath stinks.
Like, you very unusual right now.
How am I acting unusual?
I don't know. You just not. I don't know. You're not acting like.
Isn't Bianca pregnant right now?
It is Bianca.
And she's
That's
still
fine.
lit. That's tough doing videos. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you go? What are you doing?
Road rage.
What is you looking at?
Papi Chulo?
Who is that?
That's him.
What's she saying? Oh, Bianca tripping in this one.
Who is Papi Chulio? Who is it?
Papi Chulo. You ever heard that before?
No, who is it?
It's just a name, Damien.
Bro, why are you chewing your?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Girl, like green.
She's being like Cameron.
Like green.
Bro, I'm about to do a U-turn. I'm about to go back home, bro.
Hey yo, I'm ready to look at the comic section after this. Ooh, he gassing that mud. What is that? A G-Wag? Probably not a G-Wag. I'm tripping.
What is you talking about?
When you go fast like that.
I can go fast too, Bianca. Don't get me wrong.
Bro, I'm driving.
Come on.
I'm driving. Bro.
Come here, kid.
Bro, you need to really calm down. For
Or
real.
what? Or what?
Bro, we about to turn back around.
What you gonna do? You ain't gonna do nothing.
I ain't really feeling you right now, bro.
I ain't feeling you. I haven't been feeling you.
Woo!
It's Bianca. It's ice.
You're not getting out the car, bro.
Yes, I am getting out the car.
No, you're not. You're gonna
How
stay
you
in the
gonna tell
car.
me?
You're not getting out the car, bro.
Why not?
Look how you acting.
How am I acting?
You acting very unusual.
Unusual?
Yes.
How am I acting unusual?
You acting like a thought right now, bro.
I thought.
You
How
acting
do
like-
thoughts act?
Like how you acting, bro.
I'm not trying to hear your bull stuff.
You acting like
I'm
a
trying to
dog, bro.
enjoy life.
You trying to? No, you're acting like a dot right now, bro.
Oh, I got lipstick all over my cup. I look cold, bro. It's good.
Ain't nobody got time for that, bro.
Ew.
My face, bro. You almost made me crash.
You know what? I'm gonna just do me, okay? I'm gonna just do me. I ain't worried about you.
What got into you today? Why are you playing with your gun like you a little kid, bro?
Yo, she honestly doing the camera thing, bro. Or is this like the whole
I'm
purpose?
about to do this, bro.
You ain't about to do what, bro?
Bro, why
The
are you
gum.
playing with your hands not even clean, probably.
Probably not.
Your hands probably not even clean. Coronavirus looking ass, bro.
Coronavirus.
Bro, chill out, bro. No. I make you sanitize your hands before
No,
you
you
touch
don't, boy.
Yes,
Don't
you
try
do,
to
bro.
slide. No, you don't.
You sanitize your hands, bro. Before
No, you
touch
don't.
It, bro.
Boy,
I'm a clean guy over here, bro.
you ain't clean.
I'm a germophobic, you
When the
know?
last time you took a shower?
Yesterday.
Wow.
When last time you took a shower?
Today.
No, you did not,
Yes,
bro.
I did.
I can't tell.
Hair wet.
I ain't gonna lie, you
Should I do 2 earrings or 1?
turning me off for real right now, bro.
I'm not trying to turn you on. So, 2 earrings or 1? What you say?
I don't care what you do right now, bro.
You don't care?
Yeah, why she like that?
You about to be unclaimed.
I'm glad Bianca is calm. Oh my goodness.
Big bubble.
Where the kids at? Who be watching the kids?
I'm driving. You want me to crash?
You know what?
Hey, bro, can you chill out?
I need some action.
Bro, my mama, bro, you need to chill out, bro.
Oh my mama, bro.
Like, why you be chill, bro? I don't like how you acting, bro.
Boy, we gotta create a song. It's your girl B and come on, give me a beat. Give me a beat. DP, spin that. DP.
not really feeling how you acting. I'm not playing no games, bro. Like,
I ain't on no games.
I'm acting like Bianca.
no, it's a turn off.
I'm not trying to turn you on.
Ah,
You know what? It's your boy B and it's about to go down. I'm about to smack Damien to the ground. You like that, don't you? I need something on my hair.
should have did it. You should have done the that TikTok joint. That's who that was.
Coronavirus.
Bro, get that out my face, bro.
That's a mask.
Stank, bro.
You need some of this?
Thought it was a tampon for a
What
second.
is that?
This is when you before you go poop, you spray it so it smell.
Who carries that? Who carries that with them?
You never know where you got shit at. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure you don't be stacking up the toilet.
You carrying that? It's some ratchet shit, bro.
He said some ratchet shit.
Let me spray it.
Who carries some poop? Bro, don't spray that in the car.
It smell good.
Yo, Bianca.
Who carries poop spray in the car?
Yo.
Like,
I carry it in my purse because if we go out somewhere or something,
Ooh, I just farted.
I don't want the toilet be stinking. You gotta use the poop spray.
Yo, Bianca wellin'.
Touch you that boy. Oh, that still smells good.
Yeah, it do. Sign I don't even know what it is. Hey, that carbon fiber on that car go hard. On the steering wheel, on the center console.
please don't touch me. Bianca,
Hands free when y'all drive.
I'm
Room
not in the
squad.
mood right now.
You might
Care about you
my
guys.
baby. I can touch you if I won't touch you.
Fat neck. That boy got a fat neck. I got a nice
I'm
neck.
annoying.
I
How
just
am
said
I
you
annoying?
annoying, bro.
How am I annoying?
Bro, shut up.
Now you shut up.
Dude.
Okay, you better stop driving like that, boy. I don't know who taught you drive like that, but this ain't how we be driving, boy. This ain't how we driving, boy. I'm gonna need for you to cut that stuff. For real. You about to make us crash. Damn your pricks. Oh, hell to the motherfucker. I know that is not. I know he not.
He guh. He guh. I'll be the same way. I'll be out there.
Just really chill
Looking-
out, bro. I'm about to go back home.
Bye.
What?
Hey yo, I had to pause the video. Hold on. That's a thing. Let's just say that right now. When your partner's making you mad, you sitting there, you looking out the window like this, and then next thing you know, you patting the gas. Woo, woo. Hey yo, let me know in the comment section down below if you can relate.
What are we eating?
Bye.
What
That's
are we
geeking.
eating?
You for dinner, baby.
Whatever. Get off
Yeah.
You are very rude today. You know that?
I didn't even do anything.
You being very rude.
Oh no.
Is you good?
Bro, dude,
What?
I'm done with you.
Okay, and I don't care. I ain't got time for this anyway.
Bro, I'm done. Bro.
I don't care.
What was that?
I don't know why you driving like that either.
She needs some milk.
You can chill your brakes. Ah! What is you doing? Come on now.
Bro.
See, I don't got time for all that, Damien. You need to drive regular, smacular, degular. Do you hear me? Come on now. You driving you doing too freaking much. What you doing? What is you doing? Where you going? Oh, hell no.
Oh, he really just gonna lead the car?
no.
Lead the whip?
Prank, come on. There's a car, babe. It's just a prank. Damien, it's just a prank.
No,
Come on, get back in the car.
bro, why are you acting like that?
Babe, it's a prank. I was trying to act ratchet to see how you would react.
That's a trash prank, bro. Why would you stop playing with
It obviously made you mad,
I'm
didn't it?
hungry. I need to get some food. I'm
Well,
hungry.
you ain't getting no food.
Bro, I'm hungry.
Is you good?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, right. I gotta go.
Come on now.
Team Bianca.
Was it good or bad?
You living?
Hey yo, that was a good prank. That was a good prank. Okay, Bianca. I believed in you. I believed in you. I know nobody else did, but I did, girl. I got you. But in that room squad, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to react to this prank, but with a different YouTuber in the comment section down below, or what you want me to react to in general. On that room squad, I'll see you guys again for another video. Peace.